Yeah, doing the snow this morning. Yeah, we got 8 inches of snow overnight. Good amount. Yep. Temperature 16. It really feels like about 9 degrees, dagnabbit. Yep. Yeah. Pretty sight. Thank God we got a snowblower. Be a lot of work doing it by hand. It'd be a lot of work on your back. Heck yeah. I'm taking a video here. Display. TV. Yep. Almost like winter time again, huh? Yeah. Almost like winter again, huh? Yeah. 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 I hear you. Yeah. Stay warm. Yeah. Yeah, we got it, didn't we, people? Folks out there. Good snow here. Yep. A bunch of the white stuff came down. Yep. At least the sun's out, you know. The sun's out, don't seem as cold, and it's not windy. Not windy at all right now. No, it's not, everybody. Luckily, it's not windy. Always get drifts in between the houses here. Yeah, we do. Kind of wish we were in Tennessee, though, you know. Wouldn't have to worry about this stuff. No way in heck, y'all. Wouldn't have to. Beautiful sight, though. Yeah. Get some exercise here. Head to the backyard and see what's cooking. Trans Am put away here, all covered up. Yep. Nice backyard, you know. You guys soak it in, the veal. Soak it up, at least you're not cold. You're not cold, no way, you're not. A little bit of entertainment for everybody out there. Another fast-paced video. Haha. What it's like living in South Bend, Indiana. Live right on the state line. Bill's house is right there. He lives right on the state line. He's our good neighbor. He's a U.S. Marshal. Yep. Beautiful American flag. Just out doing the snow. Just thought I'd maybe capture a video. I put all my videos on YouTube. Subscribe to Randy Knable YouTube. Got a bunch of videos on there I put on the last couple of years and that. Kind of fun to do. Addicting, you know. Very addicting. Fun to make them. I like to share them, no doubt. No doubt, everybody. At least the snow's fairly light, so it's not bad for snow blowing. Don't get stuck in the hopper. Snow thrower hopper. Yep. By golly, that's about it. till the next one, next video. You call it a vlog. It's a blog, but it's a vlog because it's a video. It starts with a V, not a B. Anyway, you guys take care out there. Be good to each other. Take care of each other. And stay warm. And catch you on the next one. You guys take care. We'll see ya. Bye.